If you want to have a professional block, do these things. When we want to block, we must have a ready guard. In the ready position, the distance between you and the net should be 40 to 50 centimeters. Open your legs as much as your shoulders. Bend your knees slightly. Keep your forearms facing the net. The block must be in the correct place. It means facing the ball. Also, it must be in the correct time. When the spiker wants to hit the ball, it's time to jump. If the speed of the ball is slow, the wrist should bend. And if the speed of the ball is fast, the wrist should be straight. If you want your hands to go forward, place your feet slightly inside. Eyes are open when you want to block. Open your hands as much as your shoulders. The shape of the hands should not change, neither closed nor open.